Hi, how are you? It's Ching. So, I have something prepared for you. It's three parts. I kind of named the essential sports stretch, but it really should be essential stretch for prolonged position and repetitive movement. We're very good at that, right? If we have office work, we sit a lot. Everybody have to connect to the computer, or if you're a hairdresser, barber, chef, you stand a lot, right? So then if you do exercise, you go to cardio all the time. So repetitive running, biking. So we're in that same mode, right? Upright and sagittal plane. So we're gonna do a little bit of rotation to this, extend the hips so you're not in that sitting position. So I put it all together into one very simple exercise. So this week, this is part one. I'm going to teach you how to do that. Use the chair, which we can find everywhere, right? Or even bench something that if you go to the park. So now, next week, we're adding the part two, which is standing. Part three is on the floor. So let's go right. Okay, so here's the part one. I'm going to turn the chair a little bit so you can really see directly sideways on this one. So here, okay, good. So this is really nice seat, right? Very hard, so it can support you. So now I'm gonna sit only with this is my left leg, this is my left leg, this is my right leg. I'm only sit with my left sit bone on the chair toward the center. Extend the right leg back. Oh, can you see that? I already opened the hip. Use this hand, grapple the chair so you don't stabilize yourself. Don't fall off the chair before you exercise. Now you can feel the glutes contract to extend the hip, right? So now your heels up, so you tuck your toes. Make sure you can tuck your toes. So never wear shoes, right? It's nice to get your toe work. So now, right here, I'm facing this side. Rotate the torso. I'm using my left hand push my left shoulder back. Now I'm twist all the way. So ready, inhale, exhale, spiral up, squeeze your glutes. It can, contract the first responder. Really get a hip flexor open wide. The first time might be a little crazy, a little hurting, a little tight. You're gonna feel a lot of sensation. That's okay. Keep make friends, right? Make friends with your body, especially your spine. Okay, now second part, I'm gonna rotate my head a little bit so I spiral up even more. You see my back, my rhomboid, and my thoracic spine is straight. No hunch, don't hunch forward. So you want to let the energy spiral all the way up. So you add your head a little more so you feel bigger movement. Okay, so one more time this way. Now the last part. After you push yourself, right, increase that rotation, adding your head and add an extension to it. And return. And go. So we reverse our favorite position, right? Flexion, flexion, flexion. So we add a rotation with the extension, keep engaged abdominal, so you can really feel that nice energy from the foot all the way up to the top of your head. Continue extend out. So now slowly come back. And your body says, I don't want to come back too fast. So your fascia, because we stay there for a while, keep increased stretch. So we really talk to the fascia open, but they don't like to come back fast. It's okay. So as soon as we come back, right, you hear me say all the time, wiggle out. So your body feels like what? That sensation like a lava lamp. It has wave and spiral as a human. Okay, so ready? Other side. So I'm going to put my right foot down, slide the left leg back, squeeze your glutes, engage your abdominals so you have the right posture. You really want that knee behind the hip, okay, the ASIS or the hip socket, so you really feel that extension. So some of my clients, right, they go, oh, I feel stretch already. That's okay, that's where you're gonna start. But you know that you're gonna keep improving, okay? So I'm right on my right sit bone, I adjust myself. I keep my heels down, so I root the front leg, Okay, so don't pick this foot up, you're gonna root it down. So from here, you push the right hand, push the right shoulder back, spiral up. Left hand, hold the back of a chair too. Inhale, exhale, 2. Hollow your tummy, spiral up, 3. Right, feel the energy, spiral up, 4. And up. Good. Okay, ready? Second one, you add your gaze. You're gonna look a little further. So turn your head, so increase the spiral. Inhale again, exhale, turn your head. Last one here, exhale. Okay, so ready? Remember, we're gonna add the extension. So rotate the torso and your head and extend. Return. Again, push your right hand back to put the right, help the right shoulder. And so external obliques, right? Rotate your thoracic spine, looking extension. 2 more. And press, and 3. Press, exhale, hollow your tummy, 4. Keep opening, coming back, and you wiggle out. Slowly come back, like I say. Oh, you wiggle out a little bit to let your body recover gradually. You wake up, you do this right away. It's kind of like doggy and cat, right? They look so good, right? So we should be part of like that. Take care of spine first. I know a lot of you have this tensor fascia lata. One of the hip flexor muscle gets fired up all the time from sitting position. Some people drive all the time, right? Their job is driving, and or travel place to place for meeting whatsoever. Someday that's gonna happen too. Anyway, so get that opened up, okay? Very important. You don't want your muscle atrophy or in one place for a long time, like a timeout. No one likes timeout, special kids, right? So engage your domino. Nice and tall. You wiggle out a little more. And that's it for today. So if you didn't understand, didn't get enough, review the video again, okay? So thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Take good care.